So here, my H naught is going to be, what's my H naught?
O sub 1 equals E sub 1. No difference.
No difference. That's my claim. And then H1 would be O sub I is not equal to E sub I.
Difference.
In other words, there is a difference, yeah. Alright, so then we go to step 2. Our critical value. Here my degrees of freedom is going to be, oh, how many rows do I have?
2.
2, I got male and female. Everybody on board with that?
Yes.
How many columns do I have?
3.
3, football, baseball, hockey. So there's my matrix right there. It kind of maybe helps to mark it off like that, right? To mark it off so you know your matrix is. Kind of similar for matrix is these square brackets, and you put the name of the matrix in there. Right, just like that. All right, so my degrees of freedom is going to be 2 minus 1 times 3 minus 1. So it's going to equal 2. And my alpha is, doesn't say, right? So it doesn't say what's my alpha.
0.5.
0.05. So what's my critical value, guys?
5.991.
No, 911.
911?
991.
991.
No. Yep.
5.991.
Good. All right.
We are 0.5, just 5 point.
It's
Yes?
in,
Oh,
in
sorry.
your picture.
Thank you. All right, so then, next we're going to go to finding our critical value. First I need to find my expected values. So expected value of 1, comma 1, row 1, column 1 is going to be this guy for 18, right? What's that going to be? 32.
32.
It's row total times 38. That's column total. Divided by 80, the grand total. And you guys got what?
15.2.
And then you're going to find
Two.
second row, third column, E2, 3, because remember it's RC, like RC colon, row column. Second row, second row females, third column, hockey. So this guy right here, he has a row total of 48, a column total of 16. Remember these are columns, right? So 16 times 48 divided by 80, and you guys got what for that?
9.6.
9.6. Great. And then you're going to do stat, test, chi-squared test. Matrix A. And so that will give you a chi-squared value of
2.385.
and a p-value of
0.303.
0.303. Is 0.303 unusual?
No. Yes. Yes.
0.303? This is the probability of getting that something unusual. 30.3%, is that unusual? No. What's our level of unusualness? 5% or less, or alpha? Is this 5% or less? No, so it's not unusual. So we're going to expect we're not going to reject H naught. Does that sort of make sense?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at pop our chi-squared in there. So that looks like it goes somewhere in here.
Yep.
2.385. Are we going to reject H naught?
No.
No. Not unusual. Do not reject H naught. And then our step 5 is going to be not enough evidence.
Reject claim.
2. Our claim was H naught, so to reject our claim, everybody on board with that?
Yes.
Our claim was H naught, so that means we're going to looking to reject or not reject our claim. So to reject claim of, what was it, no difference? No difference between genders of sport preference. Sports. Favorite sports. Does that make sense? So no difference between genders of favorite sports. So in other words, there's no difference between whether you're a man or a woman in regards to your favorite sport. Yeah.
So if the p-value is 0.05 or less,
Then we were rejecting
you
H
would
naught.
just reject it no matter what?
Yeah. Well, and they would match up.
Yeah, it would.
Yeah. Because when if your p-value was your alpha 0.05, then that means that your critical value would be exactly the same as your critical value. Yeah. Good question. Homogeneity of proportions is very similar. It's almost the same. The only difference is the wording. So you wonder whether the proportions are the same. Here is an example of one of those. And let's get a reader. Brady, you want to go read this for us?
A psychologist randomly selected 100 people from each of 4 income groups and asked them if they were very happy. For people who made less than $30,000, 24% responded yes. For people who made $30,000 to $74,999, 33% responded yes. For people who made between $75,000 and $90,999, 38% responded yes. And for people who made $100,000 or more, 49% responded yes. At alpha equals 0.05, test the claim that there is no difference in the proportion of people in each economic group who were very happy.
Great. So my matrix, my data is right here. You guys see that?
Yeah.
All right, I've got the 4 columns of data. I've got the 2 different rows of possible answers. Good to go? So that's my matrix. Take the next 8 minutes and do this one. I'm also, how many rows are there?
2,
How many columns?
4.
So I need you to find the expected value of the first one and the last one. Good?
Yep.
All right.
Gotcha.